Alright, hello boys and girls. Welcome to the homework edition of our video today. Alright, so this is what you should be watching, and you want to try the problems on your own, but if you don't get it, then here you go. Here's the explanation live, because I know it's really hard to do just looking at the homework answers sometimes. So here we go. First one right here. In the sketch below, the area of each circle is 4 pi. What's the perimeter of W, X, Z, Y? So I need the perimeter, so I need every side. Okay, so the area of a circle is pi r squared, and that's what it gives us right there. So the area of this circle is 4 pi, the area of this circle is 4 pi, all of them are 4 pi, so is that one and that one. So 4 pi, maybe if I knew the radius right here, I could get some of the distance. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, no problem. So I need to solve for r, but I seem to think, so they both have pi. What number squared is 4? Yeah, that's 2. Because 2 squared times pi is the same as 4 pi. We got it. So the radius here is 2. So that would mean this is also 2. So right here, 2 plus 2 is 4. So that's that part of it. So this is also 2, and this is also 2. So that would mean that this part is 4. So together, this whole side is 8 because the radius is actually 1, 2, 3, 4 radii. Right there, it's 8. And so since this is 8, this is also 8, and this is 8, and this is 8. 8 times 4 is the perimeter, which is, boom, B, 32. Got it. Let's try the next one right here. Okay, what is the area between the square and the circle shown? Alright, so let's look at, so the area between the square and the circle is all here, this area right here, just like we did in class. Alright, no problem. So area of the square, so we're going to do area of the square, the outside first. Area of the square. So that's going to be 2p and 2p, so it's 2p times 2p, or 2p squared, so that's going to be 4p squared. Boom, got it, lock it in. Okay, what else we got now? We got area of the circles we've got to find. So we got to cut that circle out, remember. Area of the circle. What's that going to be? Well, I need the radius, don't I? Because the circle is pi r squared. So if this is 2p, so that means the whole thing is 2p for the diameter, or one side of the square. This is p, and this is p. So that would mean my radius is p. So pi times, not r squared, but p squared, because p is the radius. So area of the shaded region, now, I'm going to take the square, which is 4p squared, and I'm going to subtract, I'm going to take out the circle, which is pi times p squared. I don't see any answer choice right here. So what am I going to do? Oh, look, I can factor out. You see how this term has a p squared and this term has a p squared? So the final answer, I'm going to take out a p squared. What am I left with here? 4. Oh yeah, this looks like the other problems. Minus pi. Boom. Done. D it up. There you go. Got it. Okay. Let's do the last two. Here's the hardest one right here. Let's try it. Right here. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay. Area of the semicircular region is 8 pi. What's the perimeter of the shape? So this is the whole perimeter right here. So the semicircle and the square. So you're going to find the whole perimeter right there. Okay. What do I need to do? Well, the perimeter of the semicircle, the area of the semicircle is 8 pi. So area of a circle, this is 8 pi right here. Area of a circle is that. Semicircle, that's half a circle, right? So cut it in half. So that's 8 pi. So this is the semicircle area. Because you have to take the area of a circle and divide it by 2. That's half a circle, semicircle. Okay, so how am I going to get r? I need to get my radius. Because I can get my radius, then I can get all the sides, right? That's my goal. So I'm going to times 2 on both sides to get rid of this 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So pi r squared equals 16 pi on this side. Oh, now just look. They both have a pi, and so I'm now looking here. What number squared is 16? Oh yeah, 4. So 4 squared is 16. 16 equals 16. We got it. So that would mean my radius here is 4. And this is 4. So therefore I got 4 everywhere because this mark means congruent, doesn't it? Okay, so what do we have? Let's see. So this is 8. This is 8. This is 8. So the three sides of our square are 8. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 8 times 3. So that's 24 on the outside. So it looks like it's going to be B or D right there with the 24. All I need to do is find this perimeter right there. And that looks like the circumference cut in half, doesn't it? So the circumference is, circumference part is 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. So the diameter here is 8, isn't it? So it's 8 pi, the whole circumference. That's of a whole circle. That's if it extended here. But it doesn't. It just has half. So I'm going to divide that by 2, and it's 4 pi. So this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, and I have 4 pi right here. So the answer is, boom, B. Got it. Okay, rewind the video if you didn't understand that part, and to watch it again. That's a great one to get right. That's a great one to memorize. Let's try the next one right here. Oops, sorry. Let's move it over here. Last one. So, what are we going to do? All right. What's the difference between the area? What's the difference mean I need to subtract? Okay. Area here, that's going to be pi r squared. So that's going to be 7 pi times 7 squared, which is 49 pi. Thank you. Area of the other circle is going to be pi r squared, which is pi times 4 squared, which is 16 pi. So the difference would be 49 pi minus 16 pi. So that would be, oh, so this is like 49x minus 16x. So I'm going to subtract them, and I get 33 pi to finish H. There you go. Nice job. Complete the rest of the homework. Flip the page, and I'll see you on Monday for the quiz. Great job, everybody.